In this video, I'm going to walk you through whether it's possible to listen to Spotify offline without having a premium subscription. Spotify doesn't officially allow offline listening for free users. Downloading songs is a feature reserved exclusively for premium members. If you want to listen to Spotify content offline the way the app intends, you'll need to upgrade to Spotify Premium. For free users, the only offline option you have is listening to tracks that are already stored on your device. This means you can play downloaded files using Spotify's local file playback feature, but you won't be able to download Spotify songs themselves. When you log into a free Spotify account and check the library section, you'll notice that there is no downloaded category. This confirms that offline listening for Spotify content isn't available without premium. So the bottom line is that there's no official way to Spotify users unless you subscribe to premium. Your only alternative is to use a separate application that allows music downloads outside of Spotify. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.